Ito pa ba? Andito pa. Ayun! Ay! Wow! Ay! Hi! This is Gabilito. And you know what it is. Today, nasa aking harapan ngayon ay walang iba kundi Z from a Minecraft movie. This is Steve. Wait! Big shoutout sa iyo Marinel dahil sa iyo nabili ko tong figure na to. Tingnan mo ang hirap ko kakahanap po ng figure na to. Mega mall yan, layo nun. Thanks for the tip and sa ulitin. Take a look at the box. Okay, pack sama sa line. The rarest one. Ito si Dennis Creeper and a skeleton. Okay, that's it for the box. Lalo pa tumpik pa ano. Let's cast him loose. Here he is, out of the packaging. Look at him, chunky boy. It's a Jack Black figure. Oh my god, take a look at the detail. The blue pants and blue shirt. They're nice with the details. The own face. It's very Jack Black. Very nice. It's the articulation. Let's go. Shoulder up. Over around. Elbow. Yan. Ganyan nakataas. Elbow. Yeah. Kabila. Parang ayaw makisama ng kabila. Yan. Watay! No waist. Wala. Spread. Oy. Can you do it? Can he do it? Watay! Very nice. Single jointed knees. Oy. Dadala. Di natin alam yung kung hanggang ano range yung joints. That's it for the articulation, of course. Oh, sumisipa ba siya? Ganito kataas. Ganyan lang. Marami akong ano na ito pwedeng gawin dito sa figure na to, kaya ito talaga yung hinanap ko. Oh shit, sorry. Katulad na lang nito. Tignan mo naman. Jack Black with treasures. Jack Black with the Fortnite pickaxe. Tutumbo. With the sign. Look at that. Choose your weapon. Oh my god. Watay! Nakalimutan ko yung ulo. Moves left and right, up, that, far and down. Yun. Wait. Accessories. Let's go. Here he is with his accessories. Look at him. It looks like from the movie. So, parang may kulang eh. Parang may kulang talaga eh. May kulang talaga eh. Hindi to. Dapat duo sila. Wala. Habang wala pa si Dennis. Ito na lang. Habang wala pa si Dennis the Wolf. Ito ka muna. Oh shit. Alloy Beast Armor Leopard, aka Cyber Dennis. Size comparison. Let's go. My previous figure review, Epic Hero Series, Red Hawk, Bladen, Fortnite Skeleton Oro, Jack Specific Supersonic, Godzilla X Kong, The New Empire, King Kong, Jack Black, King Kong, reunion ito, and Jollibee's Kung Fu Panda. Uy, kaboses niya yan. At syempre hindi mawawala yung mga kasabayan niya sa line, which is this is the Minecraft movie from McDonald's. Ito, buksan natin si Creeper. Ano yung tsura nito? Ang tsura ni Creeper. Uy. Yan. Uy. I'm so proud of y'all. Ooh, a Creeper. Look at him. Ganda pa nung size. Tama yung size. Diba? Yan ang gimmick niya. Yung sa paa. Push down the head. And you'll get him walk. Dito naman. Ano kasi ito eh. Blind box ang ginawa nila dito. Kaya marami nagalit dito. Open this up. Sana si Hamburglar O kaya kahit yung ibon. Never mind, okay. A helmet. Oh, wait, what? Actually, this is not bad. Wow, a Fry's helmet. Kasya kaya dito. Oy, perfecto. Diba? Okay din. Hindi na masama, diba? Yung sa second wave ng McDonald's Figs. May authentication something and then a trading card. Diba? Ang ganda. Okay din. Hindi na masama. Look at them side by side. Diba? Okay din. Kasi para sa akin talaga to. Yan. The Creeper. Very nice. Diba? Okay din. Alright. That's it for this figure. And let's talk about the movie. Wait, what? Parang ang bilis naman. Parang dumilim agad. What? 4 na individual ang nahila at napasok sa isang misteryosong lagusan matapos mapagsama ang dalawang relikyang may hugis na pariswa. Dito nila nadiskubre ang mundong nagngangalang overworld. Dito nadiskubre nila lahat mapabagay, halaman, kabundukan, pati ang mga naninirahan dito ay may hugis o anyong parisukat. Sa mundong ito, para ikaw ay makasurvive, kailangan mo ng matinding imahinasyon at sa kanilang nakakabaliw na paglalakbay. Dito na rin nila nakilala ang isang estrangerong nagngangalang Steve. And all hell breaks loose. My thoughts about the movie. It is a fun movie. It is. I enjoy the movie. Correct. The cast is great. The visuals. Well, Jack Black in this movie is Jack Black. Ang daming magandang moments dito, lalo na doon sa Lytra wingsuit, yung habulan nila doon. Ay, ganun lang. Tawa ng tawa sa isang sequence na binato yung isang baboy. Well, target lock naman at naman yung target nila si Henry. At yung mga doon, avid fan talaga ng lore na to o ng game, ng movie. Yan, sila yung mga nakakita nung mga Easter eggs na talaga namang ako'y sadyang okay, yeah, I know this one. Sila yung mga talagang wow, sigawan at talagang tawa after nung movie. Palakpakan sila. Wow, ngayon ko lang ulit na-experience yung palakpakan. Very nice, very nice. Nakakatuwa yung isang scene dito na nagbigay sila ng isang tribute dito sa isang YouTuber or YouTube channel na nagngangalang Technoblade na namatay nung 2022, June 2022, at maraming natuwa at na-surprise dahil a legend will be a legend. It will be part of the movie forever and the name Technoblade will never die. Ang movie na ito ay hinango sa isang video game na kung tawagin ay Minecraft noong 2011. Published by the Mojang Studios. Created by Marcus Notch. Weird, fun, and adventurous. That's my jam. Walang tapon sa movie nito. Buo, first to finish, na-enjoy ko siya. Lalo na may Jack Black figure ako. Oh wait, best moment sa movie, yung mga yung Creeper Mine. Inabol na sila ng Great Hog at Lytra wingsuit scene. Yun, nakakatawa yan. Enderman, lalo na yung uling fight scene ng Great Hog and then yung Iron Golem na may special ability. Yun. Nung panahon pinanood ko to sa sinehan, hindi ko siya naumpisan. Tapos, pagdating ko ng bahay, mga ilang araw pala, mga makalipas 2 days, gusto ko ulit siya panoorin. So, pinanood ko siya sa isang streaming site. At throughout ng panonood ko, parang iba yung itsura ng movie. Hanggang sa fast forward ko, may nag-leak ng movie, ng full movie. Unfinished. Kumbaga, na X-Men Origins tong movie ito. I wonder, may nakulong kaya dito? Ang weird ng mga eksena. Ito yung mga example.
You ruled the place.
Who are you and why are you so...
The better I got. Pandas love to party.
Is he some kind of king?
No. Chungus.
I'm really sorry, but I have to annihilate...
Like, what the fuck? Ano yan dito? overall, this movie is amazing. I'm gonna give a Minecraft movie a solid rating of 8. Yeah. Hindi na ako magiging ano pa. Wala na akong ibigay. Solid 8. And I guess that's it for this one. Thank y'all. Y'all the best. Like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below what you think about the figure or the movie. And I'll see y'all on the next round. Overall, this figure is amazing. Alin sa dalawa? Pagsabayin ko na. Bye guys. Next month.